getting a lot of inquiries about whether I should buy the WCD or should I buy the PNL Series. And to be honest, the PNL Series has become one of our leading sellers, primarily because it's a good price point and its functionality. So here we've got a Logitech meetup camera. We've got that plugged into a USB hub down here, and whatever input I change on the display, whether it's USB-C or one of the 2 or 3 HDMIs, I will always get connectivity to that camera. So that in turn makes this panel fairly similar to our top of the line Windows collaboration display. So I just really wanted to talk about some of the subtle differences that the product has. So we've got a quick and easy whiteboard over here on this panel. This is part of the application menu. We've got a Vitello Share, which is wireless content sharing, which might be, playing back videos from your phone or from an iPad. This panel is also Mac certified, so it works well in a Mac environment, as well as Android certified as well. Web browser, built-in web browser, so if you plug this into either a LAN connection or you connect the panel over Wi-Fi, you've got a web browser as well. File Explorer, and that's just for saving some of those whiteboard files or images, content to the panel. So you could store content in File Explorer and just let that rotate, so it acts as like background images of some of the say productions or projects that a company may have done. If I go into administrator settings, we can tune it into the wireless network. We've got our inputs. We can auto input change. We can change input mode name. So there's a lot we can do in terms of the setup of this monitor. Just over here, I've got this little button. This takes me back to my home menu. And here we can go direct to, say, our local PC, or if I wanted to go to change to USB-C, I could hit that and that would take me through to my USB-C connection. Whereas this panel over here it's fairly similar, but it's very advanced. So as you remember, this one is capacitive touch, comes with the camera, the IoT sensor, records some room information and data, has motion sensor, so when you walk into the room it comes to life, which is pretty good. And really this was just created for the BYOD environment, where we walk in with our laptop and we've got one USB-C cable that does it all. Plug that in, now my laptop will be duplicated onto the WCD. So with the WCD, that comes with an 8-meter USB-C cable. With this panel, which is the 86-inch version, we now supply a Kramer cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. It's version 3.2, and it's active as well. So it's a good cable that works well, more so with Thunderbolt USB-C ports. With both panels, the USB-C will now power the laptop, so that's fairly similar. The camera, that's static, whereas the Meetup is PTZ, and we can also attach any other camera we want as well. Equally, we can do the same with the PNCD. We just use this little USB here to adapt or change the camera that we want to put in for PTZ, for example. Other than that, the WCD is what it is. It's designed to just come along, plug in your laptop, and away you go. Whereas this just has a little bit more back into it. You've got the whiteboard, the web browser, the wireless content sharing from your phone. And most people have an iPhone, so it's easy to connect with your iPhone just via a simple app that you just download onto your phone. There, Vitello Share, and see that code at the top, 039343. You then just tap in this, and you then connect 039343, and just go screen share. Yep. Start broadcast, and then it will just invite me. There we are. We looked at this and I wanted to rotate it. Just does all the rotating as well. So that's just a little bit about the two panels. What is different between the two? This is high-end capacitive touch, obviously comes with a pen as well, but you're kind of using your laptop to control the panel. This one you can build in a PC behind it, have the Meetup on top, and also connect to BYOD as well. Yeah, so in summary, they're both good products. The WCD has been around now for at least 4 years, so we are sitting on the last of the stock, and this is pretty much this will be our most advanced panel. So what we've done, we've been able to build the PNL series into a WCD or something similar. There's a couple of things that it doesn't have that this has. This does have LAN pass-through, so when I connect this panel into a network, it will push that network access through to my laptop. Equally, I can run my laptop off Wi-Fi and I don't need any LAN access. The PNL series really is quite similar because of the USB-C, but I do like the fact that all the two HDMIs and the USB-C all connect to the camera input or that USB hub. So that's the big takeaway on that product, along with the applications that it's got. Yeah, so feel free to reach out to us and one of our team will be happy to help you out. So thanks for joining, and catch up with you next time.